With just 2 days until Christmas, millions of Americans are already on their way to holiday destinations. AAA says more than 109 million people will travel 50 miles or more between today and January 2nd, and more than 6 million are expected to fly. The CDC is recommending people delay travel until fully vaccinated, wear a mask, and don't travel if you are exposed to someone who is sick or tests positive for COVID-19. If you do plan to travel, you may want to invest in travel insurance this holiday season. Companies encourage the insurance year-round, but the threat of COVID-19, getting travel insurance could protect you if you test positive for the virus. Travel agent Pam Seagle is the owner of Travel Leaders in High Point. She says getting the insurance could save you money and a major headache.
It's almost to the point now where we just do not even want to sell a trip unless somebody is purchasing the insurance. And it doesn't take long for us to convince the client that it is something that is really, really necessary at this time. Anyone that would travel without it insurance coverage at this time, I think it would be unfortunate.
Seagle says it takes 24 hours for travel insurance to process, and the costs can vary depending on the company and level of insurance.
If you are traveling and you become ill, you would be covered. If you are ill and sick enough to be hospitalized, this would be covered also. They would pay your medical bills. If you are hospitalized on certain policies for longer than 24 hours, many, if you're in a foreign country, require you to pay up front. This would be covered. If you have to quarantine, your accommodations would be covered.
Not every travel insurance policy covers COVID-19. Seagle recommends speaking with a professional to advise what kind of insurance you should be purchasing. If for some reason you need to cancel, she says you can get a return on your money from the insurance up to 72 hours after purchase. So many of us do plan to travel or have family coming into town. So I asked you on Facebook, how is COVID-19 impacting the way you plan to celebrate this holiday season? Dante Jones says, luckily, we are expecting great weather. Everyone has the booster, so we will be outside a lot. Lamont Mitchell says, stuck in the house quarantining until I recouped all my energy back. My birthday will probably be in the house as well. Dave Warden wrote, it's not. Bobby Hunter said, stuck on quarantine. Larry McCraw says, not at all. And then SANKARA Clifford wrote, stressful, which I'm sure many of us are probably feeling this holiday season.
You would think it'd be old hat by now. Year 2 of this, we'd know what to do, but it seems more stressful now because of Omicron.
Yeah, you're like, I'm vaccinated, but should I still go? You know, people are still having these breakthrough cases. It's a lot to think about.
Yeah, I mean, we're planning to travel next month. We are going to fly out to see my family in Arkansas, and now like that stress is kind of starting to hit with so many cases. Our numbers are going up, hospitalizations are going up, but my husband just got his booster. I'm hopefully going to get mine within the next week when I become eligible, so we'll just have to be extra safe. But I totally understand where people are coming from, where they're feeling that stress a little bit.
I love the idea of being outside though. What was it, Dante, I think?
Yeah, the first person said
great.
outside. I think that's great too, because it is supposed to be pretty nice. You can pretty much eat outside if you have a big enough table.
And doctors say if you can't do that and you do want to be inside, at least open up some windows, get that air circulation going. That will help.
And I think it's also okay to still wear a mask indoors. I know last year, before my family was vaccinated, because we weren't able to get access to it yet, we still wore our mask inside because we were coming from different parts of the country. Wasn't that fun, but we wanted to keep each other safe. So
yeah, I totally understand that.